So I'm gonna start this video for picking the winner of this runcam mini FPV DVR board. Let's check this out real quick. Actually, I haven't even checked this out really. I mean, I kind of looked at it, but I didn't understand how it ran. Like, you got 5-volt in, ground, and then video out. And then over here you have audio in, video in, ground, and 5-volt out. So I was just wondering, like, video in and 5-volt out. So that 5-volt out could power what, your camera? And then the video in from your camera goes to here. And then video out goes from here to what? To your video out on the flight controller if you have OSD, or does it go to the video wire on the VTX? I think that's how it goes, but I don't know. It looks pretty cool though. I mean, you know, I figured somebody would like it. It puts out pretty good, pretty nice video. Even though it's not HD, it still looks way better than DVR footage. So yeah, it's brand new, ready to go. So this is pretty much just for the people that follow my page on Facebook. That's where I posted it at, so it's in here. This is my page, and I did a post on here. And there was 56 people that commented a number, and it was a number between 1 and 311. So what I'm going to do is go to random.org, and I'm going to just run it that way, and then whatever that number that pops up, whoever is the closest, no matter if you're over or under, whoever got the closest to that number will be the winner. So, oh, it's already on there. Okay. Okay, so it's already all set up. Minimum 1, maximum 311. I don't really like doing it this way very much, because I wish that there was something with like a prize wheel that spins around and then slows down and slowly stops. That would be awesome. And I'm sure there is something out there, but I just didn't research it. So, I mean, it's not like this is some big giant prize. It's not that expensive, so I guess we'll just do it this way. So I guess as soon as I push this button, actually nobody will even know who won until I figure it out. I don't even know if I should do that on camera or not, but I am going to do this on camera. So here we go. 250. Okay, so let's just look at this real quick. I don't think anybody did actually pick 250, but there is a 251. Now if there's a 249, that might be a problem, but I don't think there is. So there's 240, 246, 247. Okay, so whoever picked 251 is the winner. And that was like the 15th down or something. So let's just check that real quick. Yeah, just 1 second, okay. All right. Get ready. Big winner. The big winner is, no drum roll, oh my god, did I pass it? Oh my god, where the hell is it? Oh, Brendan DeJanes. He actually chose 311, but somebody else had already chose 311, Adam Salt. So he said if it can't be 311, then he wants 251. So Brendan DeJanes. DeJanes, am I saying that right? You're the winner. I'll message you and get your address, and I'll ship it off probably Monday, and I'll send you over tracking. All right, thanks everybody for participating. I was actually surprised that there was actually even 56 people. I thought it'd be way less than that. So I know 56 isn't very many, but I don't really have a big following yet. So all right.